Dead planets sending out strange zombie signals is a new discovery. This is on Blended Reality by RT, and what could be a spooky preview of Earth's fate. Some dead planets are broadcasting radio waves long after their demise, and scientists are hoping to tune into the strange zombie sounds. The planets, which have been stripped to their cores by the stars they orbit, can form a circuit with a star that has destroyed them, creating radio waves that can be picked up on Earth. New research published on the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society explains this. An incredibly violent process. When some stars reach the end of their lifespan, they can expand and burn all nearby planets, leaving them as orbiting metallic cores before shedding their own outer layers and turning into a white dwarf. The white dwarf and the remaining cores of its surrounding planets can form a circuit and start emitting radio waves, as radiation emitted from the circuit can be picked up by radio telescopes here on our Earth. Scientists now plan to find these communicating dead planets by detecting their zombie signals, which would be an exciting breakthrough, since no one has found a major planet or its core just by monitoring magnetic signatures. Dimitri Veras from the University of Warwick, that's just about, about 2-hour train ride north of London. I know because my son went to university there. He says, "We think that our chances for exciting discoveries are quite good. The scientists need to find out how long the cores can survive after their layers have been stripped, although their modeling found that in a number of cases the cores could survive for up to 1 billion years. Veras explained that in order for a planet to be left with just its core, quote, it would have been violently stripped of its atmosphere and mantle at some point and then thrown towards the white dwarf, end quote. The discoveries could therefore give us an eerie preview into our own planet's future demise, as it too could end up being nothing more than a dead core in a few billion years if our sun system evolves in this similar way." This is by RT, and the dwarf star vaporizing a minor planet in its orbit around it is by Mark Garlick, NASA image. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.